Next question we have, there are two types of fertilizers, F1 and F2. F1 consists 10% of nitrogen and 6% of phosphoric acid, and similarly F2 consists 5% of nitrogen and 10% of phosphoric acid. After testing the soil condition, a farmer finds that he needs at least, so the keyword is at least here, 14 kg of nitrogen. So maximum quantity of nitrogen जो उसको required है, that is what nitrogen he need 14 kg. तो it cannot be more than 14 kg. तो at least word जब आ गया, sorry, at least means it can be either 14 or it can be more than 14. तो it would be what, greater than equal to 14 kg. And then this is what requirement. Alright, next we have phosphoric acid, that he need again 14 kg. So this should be greater than equal to 14. Alright, so the question is what, there is given cost corresponding to each kind of fertilizer. F1 cost rupees 6 per kg and F2 cost rupees 5 per kg. Determine how much of each type of fertilizer should be used to minimize the cost. We have to minimize the cost. Alright, so let's say दो फर्टिलाइजर्स हैं F1 एंड F2, एंड F1 में जो नाइट्रोजन का कंटेंट है दैट इज 10%. तो हम सपोज कर लेते हैं, तो फार्मर लेट द फार्मर use X kg of F1 and Y kg of F2. So this is nitrogen 10% of X हो जाएगा and 6% of phosphoric acid, तो 6% of X. इस जो आपका फर्टिलाइजर 1 है, it has 10% of nitrogen and 6% of phosphoric acid. Similarly जो सेकेंड फर्टिलाइजर है, that is what it has 6%, it has 5% of nitrogen, that is what 5/100 of Y, and 10% of phosphoric acid. So now we have the constraints. Now we can frame these equations. So my first constraint come out to be x upon 10 plus y upon 20. This plus this y upon 20 is greater than equals to 14. So the equation is 2x plus y greater than equal to 280. Similarly second constraint is this. So this gives you 6x upon 100 plus 10y upon 100 greater than equal to 14, which gives you 3x plus 5y greater than equals to 700, and another one be x greater than equals to 0 and y greater than equal to 0, which is mandatory condition. So when you plot the graph for this, we'll remove the inequality, same जैसे अभी अपने पिछले क्वेश्चन में किया. Okay, now let's plot these graph. So when you plot these lines, you get this type of graph, and when we have to shade this area. So my first equation was greater than equal to, second was also greater than equal to, meaning by you are going away from the origin, then इससे भी आपको away जाना है, इस line से भी आपको away जाना है. So common part would be this one, and this part, this area is known as unbounded. There is no boundation. So we have to minimize the problem. If you see from the graph, this is your minimum point, and if you cannot figure out it, you can simply take the corner points. So this point is what? This is what? 0 and 280, and second point, this wala is 180, and this last one point is what? X is 700 by 3. It's not exactly 240, so you'll find this using graph, or simply you can put x is equals to 0 in second equation, sorry, y is equals to 0 in second equation to get this value. So this is 0. So these are the three corner points. I'm getting 700 upon 3 corresponding 0 point, then 180, then C point is my 0 to 80, and at these value the cost function is to be minimized, and the cost for the first fertilizer 1 was 6 rupees and cost for the second fertilizer was rupees 5. So you'll put these values, you get this value as 1400 when you put this point here, and when you put 100 corresponding 80 you get 1000, and when you put 0 to 80 you get 1400. So out of these, this is the minimum value, and I'm getting this value at 180. Even you could figure out this from the graph also. So this is my minimum value. This is how we have to attempt the LPP problem. Thank you.